boy. Alright, so we was getting ready to work on the e-brake handle in the IS300. So we got the parts changed in, like the master cylinder for the e-brake and everything changed out. And we went to bleed it. Well, as we're going to bleed it, the line on the passenger side was broken off, like it had been too tight and pulled loose. So we'll be calling excessive manufacturing on Monday and see if there's some kind of warranty or something, because it just yanked out. There's just not enough line. And I felt like I needed to add some line, but it didn't come with anything extra. And it reached, but it looked like it did need more. Like it just, if there's any travel in the suspension at all, it's gonna, and we didn't do anything wrong. It just pulled out. I mean, that piece actually swivels and turns. But all right, so what I did on the G35, if you can see, the Gktech rear subframe or rear diff brace. Okay, so what I did is I pulled this bolt out, the actual one out of the rear diff, and this one, and well, here is a factory hole, and it comes with a little insert, so you knock that insert in. You can do it with your hand, it fits. So push that little insert in, and you push your hanger up, and then stick your bolt in. It comes with a washer and a nut that goes on the back side of that bolt. Get those started, and then take your two new bolts and get those started, and then you can tighten. Once you get them all in and started, you can tighten them up however you see fit. And you can probably torque these to the factory torque specs. They come with lock washers, so they should be good. Snug them up good and solid, and compress the lock washers. They'll have a little bit of squishiness in them until the lock washers actually set flat, and that's what locks them. That keeps pressure, tension on these. So I got these tightened, and then I tightened, well, I think I did this one first, and so that way if we tighten these, it pulls it up tight. But that's the Gktech rear diff brace or whatever, and it fits great. I mean, it comes with everything. It's just absolutely perfect. There was no issues whatsoever. It is kind of hard to get the nut and bolt in, and I thought about running the bolt backwards back out, but there's no need in it. Art was here, and Art actually helped me get it started. He's got smaller hands than me, and that's the other twin. That's Ronnie's twin brother. So he stuck his hand through up here and made his way over there. That way we didn't have to drop the exhaust or anything. I tried to get to that, so we didn't have to drop anything. He actually got it in there. And like I say, you just take these two bolts, factory bolts out, stick the whole piece up in there. And even with the aftermarket, I was hoping that with the Nismo rear diff plate that it wasn't going to be an issue, and it wasn't. It fits, everything's good, no issues. So yeah, I mean, I wish all accessories fit this nice. This actually was a really nice part, fit perfect, and no issues whatsoever. Super simple install. Maybe 15 minutes or so, and it's just that long because I couldn't get my hand up in there. So super simple install. Gktech, thumbs up. Good job, guys. Great product. Absolutely perfect fit. Looks amazing. And we're going to thrash on it in the morning at the drift track, so we'll see if it holds up. Alright, so that was my review on the Gktech rear diff brace. Absolutely perfect. Like I said, if every aftermarket part I bought fit that well, went in that smooth. Of course, it's a simple install. It's not a major, it's like not doing test pops on the 335. It's nothing like that. Basic mechanic ability, basic tools. I think it was the 14s were the factory bolts. I took those two out, had a 17 socket and a 17 wrench to actually reach back in and hold the nut from turning. And I just drove the 17 bolt in and 17 on the two new bolts on the bottom. Button dried up, super easy install. That's a beginner level install. So if that's something you have a rear diff that's welded, or if you want the solid brace or whatever, super easy install. If that's something you want to get into drifting and you want to put that part in, or you bought a car that's welded diff and you don't want it to shear that rear bolt out, super easy. That's a very easy install. So don't be afraid of that one. That was a very straightforward little deal there. So, all right, that's my review on the Gktech rear diff brace. A+. Love it, guys. Good job.
God, it's just raining even harder. Oh, that would have been good. There's that slick spot, I'm telling you. It's a super slick spot, I can't. Gonna hold this for a minute. As slick as it is inside be doing this, it'll end up getting hit. Spot's filling up. Just a little dip right there, yeah. My God, it took off my tire last time we seen second gear. fix my hydro e-brake. Oh god. That's the slave cylinder going out. Yeah, I tried to fix my hydro e-brake on the passenger side, so I have a dual caliper set up and the line snapped. Yeah, but it's still very line snapped off the caliper. He said he can really make it line. Go line up in my car. Go line up in my car. I got a feeling. Go line up. You'll be alright, man. Chase him. Go out there and let. Oh, God. The real test for him is getting pulled out. He can't drive one. He's got a 240 shell, and he's got an SR. He just won't put it together. Yeah. He can. I've seen him drive some 5-speed Civics, but yeah, no. That's why I told him he needs to get his 240 together, and it's a 5-speed. That way he can get the seat time. Yeah. Last time I made him ride with me because there was people here. Oh yeah, ride the clutch. That's alright, I got a warranty on the clutch. The boy that had it before me got a new clutch, he got a warranty on it, so I'm good. Yeah, so I got a warranty on my clutch still. Oh yeah, that's true. This is Keylon here. He's gonna do it.
He's starting that anyway.
Yeah, I've stopped and started a few times because.
Well, the shorter the video, the easier it is to download or upload.
And Spider.
I'm gonna end up having to put a clutch in that car.
Yeah.
It's, I think the slave's going bad. I think it's eating the clutch.
He's going for the transit.
Definitely slicker.
When I was drifting right here, on this side every time I hit right there, as it sling me.
Straightened out down there and went off the damn gravel. Oh God.
Well, it sounds pretty good sideways, don't it? 2J just love that hot oil.
Dude, what I'm gonna have to do is give me a dang seat the whole time I'm cleaning it.
Try my car, it feels comfortable.
I get slung all in it.
My car feels comfortable.
I can catch myself in them curves without yeah, that's one thing. I'll have to bring you that. Yeah. We'll get there.
Here, you don't do this, my hands are freezing up.
Absolutely.
I should not feel my hands. I just switched with Keylon too because my hands are freezing to death. He knows he's got that circle.
Yeah, they just gave up on that.
Yeah, if I say you had it. If I say get the tires, one on the other tail light out.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, the passenger side tail light's hanging. My car has one angle on it. I need an angle system.
All that crap. This is Dominic. He's trying to link the track. He's determined. There you go. He linked it that time, at least one piece of it. He getting there. This at least give him confidence, I think. Oh yeah, there you go, man. See him looking old dad for approval right there. That's my boy.
Stay on this side.
This Keylon in my car. It's not very loud. I gotta do something with it. It ain't loud enough. I got a BMW 335i and I just put catless downpipes on it. It's gonna be stupid. I think where that slave's acting up, it's going to burn that clutch up. It's not completely releasing, I don't think. This is my father driving my car. See what he can do. Yes. Come on. Do it for Carl. He went for the transition, he spun out. He's just having fun in my car now. Yeah, I know somebody like that. Look at him go, boy. Oh, a little too much sauce.
His face pretty. Oh, man. Oh, don't take your pee break.
Too much sauce. Huh?
I say he's still fancy.
Oh, yeah, he's doing good.
I don't know how I put that one on.
Which one?
How I sank that?
Oh, okay. Too much sauce on that.
He said, woo! something about his car. Like it just, I think it feels better.
I like my car better. But I'm driving it. Want to go that way?
Yeah, yeah.
It's so slick right there. It's so slick right there.
And coming down the hill, I guess it's where you're going downhill, it makes you push. It's hard to get.
Yeah.
It's like faster right there.
Saving that one.